Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make buttons in Canva. To begin, open Canva and start a new design, perhaps a presentation or a custom size. Look for the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. From there, you will search for shapes and select a fundamental shape like a rectangle or a circle to form the base of your button easily. Once your shape is on the canvas, you can easily customize its appearance. Drag the corners to adjust its size, aiming for a width of around 200 pixels and a height of 60 pixels for a standard button. Use the color picker in the top toolbar to select a background color. You can also add a border or round the corners for a more polished finish. Now it's time to add the text that will appear on your button. Head over to the Text tab on the left and choose a text box. Type in your call to action, like Download Now or Shop Here. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors to ensure your text is clear and readable. Make sure to center the text perfectly over your button shape for a professional look. To ensure your button moves as one unit, select both the shape and the text. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over both elements. Then, click the Group button in the toolbar. Consider adding a subtle shadow or a slight gradient from the Effects menu for extra visual appeal. Your perfectly crafted custom button is now complete and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.